Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize the way you develop apps? In the rapidly evolving tech landscape, AI has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping numerous industries and redefining our approach to problem solving. And it's no different in the realm of app development. Imagine an app development process that's not only more efficient but also more intuitive, one that understands market trends, user preferences, and can even lend a hand in coding. That's the potential of AI in app development. It's about enhancing each stage of the development process, from ideation to deployment. It's about improving efficiency, reducing costs, and creating personalized user experiences. It's about turning the complex task of app development into an intelligent, streamlined process. So, are you ready to redefine your app development game? It's time to unveil the power of AI in app development. So, what makes AI a game changer in app development? Well, the advantages are manifold. To begin with, AI significantly boosts efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and reducing manual intervention, AI accelerates the development process and enables you to bring your app to the market faster. Furthermore, AI can lead to substantial cost reduction. With automation and improved accuracy, the need for rework is minimized, saving both time and money. But perhaps the most exciting benefit is the ability to create personalized user experiences. AI can analyze user behavior and preferences, making it possible to tailor the app to the needs of individual users. This not only enhances user satisfaction, but also boosts user engagement and retention, which are vital for the success of any app. As you can see, AI brings a plethora of benefits to the table. Now that we understand the benefits, let's dive into the key steps in AI-powered app development. Firstly, we have idea generation with AI. With the help of AI algorithms, you can analyze market trends and user preferences to generate potential app ideas. These AI systems can sift through massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and suggest ideas that are likely to resonate with your target audience. This process saves time and increases the chances of your app being a hit right off the bat. Next comes design and prototyping. AI-powered tools can help design user interfaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly. For instance, AI can analyze the most successful apps in your category and suggest design elements that are proven to work. Additionally, AI can also assist in creating prototypes and optimizing the overall user experience, making your app more intuitive and engaging. The third step is development assistance. There are platforms available that offer AI-powered coding assistance. This means that while you're coding, the AI can suggest improvements, detect errors, and even autofill certain parts of the code. This not only speeds up the development process, but also reduces the chances of errors creeping into your code. Then, we move on to testing with AI. AI can streamline the testing phase by identifying bugs that might have slipped past the human eye. It can also improve security by detecting potential vulnerabilities and suggesting fixes. AI can even enhance the overall app performance by identifying areas where the app lags and suggesting optimizations. This ensures that your app is not just bug-free, but also smooth and efficient. Last but not least, we have user engagement and personalization. AI can play a crucial role in analyzing user behavior, providing personalized content, and increasing user engagement. For instance, AI can analyze how users interact with your app, identify patterns, and suggest ways to make the app more engaging. It can also provide personalized content based on the user's preferences and behavior, making your app more relevant and appealing to each individual user. So, that was a quick run-through of the AI-powered app development process. As you can see, AI can help at every stage of the app development process, from the initial idea generation to the final user engagement. By leveraging AI, you can create apps that are not just efficient and error-free, but also deeply personalized and engaging. This can give you a significant edge in the highly competitive app market. So, why not take the first step towards AI-powered app development today? With the right tools and strategies, you can transform your app development process and create apps that truly stand out. Remember, the future of app development is AI. Embrace it and let it take your apps to new heights of success. That's all for this segment. Stay tuned as we explore real-world examples of AI-powered app development in the next segment. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some real-world examples of AI-driven app development. First, let's talk about the social media giant Facebook. Facebook uses AI in numerous ways. One of the most notable examples is its facial recognition technology, which can accurately identify and suggest tags for people in photos. It's a feature that's made possible by AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and learn from it. Next, we have Spotify, a music streaming service that has made excellent use of AI to enhance user experience. The app's Discover Weekly feature, which suggests new music based on a user's listening history, is a prime example of AI's power in personalization. Then, there's Netflix. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know what you'd like to watch next? That's AI at work. Netflix uses AI algorithms to analyze your viewing history and preferences, then suggests shows and movies you might enjoy. We also have Snapchat, a social media app known for its interactive filters. These filters, which can transform your face into a variety of amusing or artistic images, are powered by AI technology known as machine learning. And last but not least, we have Google Maps. It uses AI to analyze real-time traffic data and provide the fastest routes. This has transformed the way we navigate, making our journeys more efficient and less stressful. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other apps out there that use AI in innovative and exciting ways. Developers are harnessing the power of AI to create more efficient, personalized, and engaging apps. By integrating AI into the app development process, they're not only improving the user experience, but also opening up a world of possibilities for the future of app development. These examples showcase the potential of AI in transforming app development. However, like any technology, AI in app development comes with its own set of challenges. It's essential to navigate these hurdles strategically to fully unlock the potential of AI. One of the key challenges lies in ethical considerations. As AI systems become more complex, it's crucial to ensure they're used responsibly. Unintentional biases in the data can lead to skewed results, affecting the overall user experience. To mitigate this, developers should focus on using diverse, unbiased datasets and implement rigorous testing to detect and correct any biases. Data privacy is another concern. With AI systems often relying heavily on user data, it's paramount to respect and protect user privacy. Developers should adhere to data protection regulations, anonymize data where possible, and inform users about how their data is being used. Now let's talk about some practical tips to successfully integrate AI into your app development process. First, start small. Begin with a specific narrow area where AI can have a significant impact. This could be anything from improving search functionality to personalizing user recommendations. Next, invest in learning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest advancements is key. Also, don't hesitate to experiment. AI provides a playground for innovation, so feel free to test out different ideas and approaches. Lastly, remember that AI is a tool, not a substitute for good design and user experience. Always prioritize your users' needs and preferences. With the right approach, these challenges can be turned into opportunities. So, what can we take away from today's discussion? AI is a transformative force in app development, enhancing every stage from idea generation to user engagement. It streamlines the development process, reduces costs, and personalizes user experiences. But it's not without challenges. Ethical considerations, data privacy, and algorithm biases must be handled with care. Yet with the right approach, AI can be a game changer. Remember, AI is not just a trend, but a powerful tool that can redefine your app development journey.